Rah is out here digging holes and pouring concrete, and I don't know what the he's doing.
Me neither.
7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you see, Rah is in the background. He's usually not in my intro, but we are back on the land. We do have a lot to get done this weekend. It is extremely hot, so we're going to utilize our time outside very wisely. It's like 100 degrees. We're going to try to get as much done as we can, and let's see what happens. Talk to you later. Bye. Our covers in here. We put black covers on our totes to keep our water clean and free from algae or algreen or algae, whatever you want to say. However, we do have mice and rats that get under the totes and they climb up on the totes. Before we left last weekend, Rah put peppermint and cinnamon on top of the totes. And look, no droppings. Peppermint oil and cinnamon powder. Okay, so we have some new equipment. We have a retractable hose reel set from Vego garden. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize it was gonna look like that.
Decent amount.
And why do you need a mount? So you can't just leave it out?
No, fall over.
Oh, so you need a mount to mount it so it don't fall over.
Yep.
And where do you plan on putting this, sir?
That's what we're about to find out.
Now, are you using this hose for the house or for irrigation?
Everything.
And how many foot or feet?
It's 65, my bad. Should've got to 100.
Is 65 feet not gonna be long enough?
Yeah. Washing windows, rinsing stuff off.
Oh, we definitely need to wash these windows.
Yeah, those windows are ridiculous.
Our windows are atrocious.
Mm-hmm. We never washed them.
In order for us to enjoy the view, we need to wash our windows.
All right, cousin.
I'm not your cousin.
So look here. See how big that is, right? You got it in your mind. The back part needs to attach to a water source. I need to be close to this some kind of way.
Are you looking for a flat space or it doesn't matter?
It's got a big hole, fill it with concrete. Put this in there.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
So
well, I see a nice little spot right there.
Because then eventually I'm going to come with some type of a pump house over here. Because remember, that ain't enough pressure.
How close does the thingamawheel need to be to this
That's a good
hose?
question. I don't know how long the back is.
So it needs to be up here, but no further than 6 feet.
No further than 5 feet.
I would say the closer you get to the house is rocks, because as you can see, rocks are right there.
Got issue with rocks everywhere. The back part of it has a hose that connects to this. This needs to be within 5 feet, so I don't even need to measure. I just need to pick a spot. Foresight, where when the would I put a pump house?
Foresight, exactly. Are you putting anything else other than a pump house?
Stairs over there. Remember our stairs?
Yeah.
Push it down, push it down. Ah, going to scream from my chandelier.
I'll see what I have to deal with. He's like this all the time. Just cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Sometimes worse.
Mind you, he didn't tell me that when I met him. He didn't start acting like that till after we got married.
After I got them draws.
You're not supposed to say.
The rock is jacking me up.
No, it's a bear up there. It's in the bushes. I literally just saw it walk across. I was like, what is that big? I thought it was a cow. Then I looked, I was like, that's a bear. What the Okay, guys, I'm just a little bit freaked out because I'm sitting on a rock and something just tells me to turn around. I turn around to look this way. It was a bear. A black bear, a medium size. It wasn't a cub. And I was trying to catch it, of course, trying to get it on film instead of running in the house. But now I'm freaked out because I saw a bear. So I'm just gonna go in the house and go get my gat real quick.
Yogi ain't thinking about you.
Yogi may not be thinking about me, but just in case.
But you thinking
he
about
has
Yogi.
second thoughts, just in case.
Here.
So we have to scare it off.
There you go.
Okay, he's gonna give me his protection. My heart is pumping.
Yogi don't want nothing.
Yogi may not want nothing, but he shouldn't be over here in these parts. That's all I gotta say. So, Rara has digged his dug. The hole is dug, and he made it about 2 feet instead of 14 inches, just to be on the safe side. But it's done, and now we're going to start pouring.
Nope.
No?
The directions says fill the bottom with 4 inches of gravel.
Okay.
You start worrying about that damn bear. That bear ain't thinking about you. I 4-inch that perfectly. You think that's gonna be off the ground?
Slightly.
Oh, I get it. Huh? Should just read the instructions. Huh?
Read.
And it swivels. Like once this is concrete in the ground, it won't turn. This turns.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense.
For you, baby, I've got something new for you.
Okay, so I don't know how Rara can still work with predators lurking.
They're always around. You're just now seeing them. They see us all the time. We ain't no good snack.
Yeah, we don't have good meat.
We're contaminated by city.
We got city contaminated meat. We don't smell good.
Contaminated.
So he's gonna put cement down there and we're gonna mount this.
Gonna be all right out here. I'm going to get water.
Yep, I got my gat. I'm mixing.
Yep.
Yep, I gotta put my whole body into it.
All of the drama, baby. After crossing those lines, yes we did.
Back up.
Wasting minute of sunset together, and we still have plenty more time. See, I gotta come through.
Oh, I was about to scoop it out.
Right there is level. I just gotta sit out here and hold this forever. You gotta hold it till it dry. Close enough, right? This one's good.
Okay, so we have poured our concrete and now we just have to wait for that to settle and dry for 24 hours. But right now, concrete is done. So we only needed 1 bag. So we'll let this bake overnight. Taking our daily stroll down to the gate. I'm watching for bears and Rara strapped up. I'm strapped up. I am scared.
Yogi and Boo-Boo.
We are going to see you guys.
Kill yourself.
I know, I'm clumsy. We are done for today and we will see you all in the AM.
Let's say we're gonna call it a night.
We're going to call it the night and we're going to see you guys in AM. Bye. In Rara's fashion, he, of course,
The people at Olight sent over their new weapons light, the PLX.
So this is Olight. It is a new weapons light.
A dual beam. 1200 lumens max, 300 meters throw. And it has a multi-fit rail mounting system.
So we already have it mounted.
And you can trigger the light from both sides.
Oh, nice.
We had an adapter, extra screw, and a wrench.
So now show me the 2 lights.
Yeah, the 2 lights. 3 lights, actually.
3 lights?
3 lights.
You can't really see that there are 3 lights because it's too bright. Okay, so there's 1 light here and there's 2 lights there. Gotcha. I don't want to go outside.
Ain't no
There's
bears
out there. You be careful.
Bust a cap in Yogi.
Yeah, but okay, be careful, please. I'm not going out there.
Rawr, rawr. Spotlight. And then when you switch to the other one, it's like a floodlight. Floodlight.
And then spotlight.
Spotlight. So that's what the 3 lights do. Did you hear that bear?
I ain't messing with you.
It's like, "Arr."
Cool. Good morning. Hello and good morning. So we are back. Rara is out here staring at the cement. I don't know, like, why are you just looking at it? I don't know what he's looking at. But anyway, so before we get started, we need to pump some water from our large tank back there to our smaller tank here because I used all the water. I did it. I'll take the heat. But some videos a while back, we couldn't get any pressure from our water hydrant. But all of a sudden, Rara just came out here this morning and I just want to show you something. Now, this is minus the pump.
Look at that. Where the did that pressure come from? Where's that coming from?
Where did the pressure come from?
I'm over here plotting a scheme and pump houses and stuff.
Go ahead and share in the comments why all of a sudden we have water pressure. Is it because it's 100 degrees today? I don't know. But let us know in the comments if you know why we have pressure from our water hydrant without using the pump.
That's E equals MC squared.
All right, guys, so we're going to get started. So let's see what happens. Talk to you later. Bye. Yep. Okay, perfect. Okay, so while our water is pumping, where are we off to? To the water bottle area. So we want to see if our cinnamon and peppermint worked. So far, no droppings on top. Yeah, I'm bear traumatized. Wouldn't you be if you saw a bear? This is what I'm doing for the most part. Just scanning the perimeter, the urban swivel. And because my husband is always fighting with nature, he put a box of goodies for them to eat. So Rara took the Mr. T chain off the gate. We're just gonna let that rest in peace there. We're gonna use a real chain that is comparable to what we need.
Run DMC chain.
Not a Run DMC chain. Rara wants to access his friends.
No, I'm gonna ask the people.
Who's the people?
The YouTube friends.
Oh, for real?
Second week in a row.
What?
Starting to make a bad habit. I gotta snap out of it. Somebody mentioned a long time ago about some type of cloth that I can attach here. Homesteader bus said something, but I forgot. A couple of people are saying there's some type of a cloth that I can clamp onto here to stop the insects from getting inside. What was the name of that cloth? So if anybody knows, appreciate it.
Oh.
The sides.
Oh, I see. I
See
see.
spider web and stuff in there?
Yeah, yeah,
That's how
yeah.
the spiders are getting in. So if I can just cover this up with some type of a mesh where it can still breathe.
Yeah.
Stop the bugs from getting in.
Okay, tell us in the comments. I have a question. Why do they call it Mother Nature instead of Father Nature?
Bye. 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 Click.
Are we about to hook that on?
Poly pipe just going to the box.
Oh, this is the turn thing. Oh, gotcha. So it allows you to swing it. Okay, that's smart. Yeah, smart. The blue spigot points towards me. You won't forget. And so we have a completed tee on our totes. Woohoo! All right, so we are on to the next step, which is, I thought that was called poly pipe. Okay, we're on to our poly pipe. Let's see what happens. So this hose is going to attach to that tee, and it's going to go into the box and attach to the pump. Yeah, you should be good. That's what 12 feet is right there. I thought these things were a little bit more flexible than that. Sorry, Booba. So as of right now, we have our tee, and right now it's working. So when Rara turns on the water, it does come out the hose. We're going to attach the hose to our water box. Now how it's going to get out to the garden? One step at a time, right? You doing measurements? Well, sir, that's what I want to play.
No.
As you should. This is going to be a really short one. So this is going to be a different type of one because I usually ask the question, name your 3 or 5. And so this is going to be different. Since you've been living, name your favorite decade.
You said since you've been living?
Yeah.
What else you going to do since you've been dead?
Well, because some people might admire other decades that they like or would like to live in. So I'm saying since you've been...
going again. What's the best decade? 70s, 80s, or 90s, or 2000s?
You go first.
That's a toss-up between the 80s and the 90s. If you put a gun to my head, I'm going to say 80s.
Why 80s over the 90s?
Both of them had great music, but the 80s was lighter and bubbly and fluffy and colorful and innocent.
Yeah, it was.
Everybody was so happy and pure. And then crack cocaine came and messed everything up.
Oh no, not the crack cocaine. Dang, you just killed the whole...
Crack came, Easy and NWA came, and that was the end of the 80s. What about you?
If I had to do it, I would say the 80s. The 80s had big fluffy hair, and I love big hair. And I love leg warmers. The 80s was very colorful. You had bandanas. Everybody wore bomber jackets. And I mean, the 80s was so good. And you had just all types of good, yummy music. The 80s to me was like a magical time. It was so colorful. It was so colorful, and the music was great, and everybody was just like together, and you know, we bonded over Beach Street Breaking 2 and Beach Street Breakdown and Electric Boogaloo and all that stuff. And the 90s would be a second for me. So I'm not going anymore. I'm not talking anymore. So anyway, you guys tell us, how do you see it? What do you think is the best decade?
70s, 80s, 90s, or 2000s?
Yes, and tell us why. And thank you for playing As You See It. Hee hee. Oh, he's doing it too. He's like, "Arr."
I wish down here on the inside wasn't this little stupid lip in here.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't there. I'm gonna go right here. Boop, boop. Yeah, I'm gonna drill that hole just a little bit bigger. There we go. Ta-da.
You forgot to plug your hole.
Yeah. You got water coming out still?
Mm-mm.
It's clean.
Yep. Look at you learning stuff.
I need it straight. See what I mean? I need to come in
Straight, gotcha.
Because I had pump, check valve, and then the tank. So luckily, I put this right here.
Yeah.
I need to scoot it down a little bit more.
We have a pause in construction because you don't have
The correct parts. So I need a poly pipe going into barb, clamp down, straight, not 90, female. So female to barb. Capiche?
Yeah, all of that, what you just said.
I bamboozled myself.
You bamboozled yourself.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm taking the whole water line home as far as all the parts to make sure I have the right adapters and connections from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch,
3/4.
female, male to 3/4.
You're taking all of this home?
Yeah, it's just these, and this. And then one part's at home already. It just came today. So I can get the correct connections, adapters between all of them. Almost there. Almost. I goofed, but it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all
So,
good.
we just have a little bit of delay.
Rookie mistake.
We have to get the correct parts before we can move forward with our pumps and irrigation and all of that.
The plumbing portion.
The plumbing portion of it. We're going to get there.
Oh, that's all.
It's just taking us a little bit longer because we're learning on the fly. We're learning as we go, especially Rai. He's learning as he
You say
goes.
we when I'm over goofing. You say we. I appreciate that. You're trying to not make me feel alone in my rookie mistakes.
We're learning on the fly. We do make mistakes, and you know, we learn and we fix it, we correct it, you know, we move on. But
The sucky part is the weekend situation. Because I have to wait a whole other 5 days to get back in the zone.
you just gotta do what you gotta do.
That's
you know,
right.
life is not easy. Life is hard. You gotta work around. You gotta be flexible. You gotta pivot. You gotta do what you gotta
I
do.
have to start singing
And-
songs. It's not easy. It's hard.
You gotta do what you gotta do. So this is where we are right now, and yeah, we're gonna pack it up.
I gotta pack this portion.
We're gonna pack this
I'm gonna
portion
go
up.
put that thing over there on the Vego machine.
That's all we got to say about that.
That's all I gotta say about that. This didn't happen.
This didn't happen.
All of this didn't happen. Figment of our imagination. We're actually in there sleeping. This didn't even happen. This is a dream.
Oh, really?
This is a dream.
Okay, so now we fantasizing. But we're gonna fantasize and move over to another area. So that's where we're about to go
That's
now.
right.
Okay, since our cement has dried, we are mounting.
It's already mounted.
Is it already mounted?
Done.
Oh,
It just swivels. That's it.
that's it? Oh. Well, we have our swivel holes
From Vego Garden.
from Vego Garden.
Let's go, Vego.
Nice.
Goes out 65 feet. Has these little quick connect things on here that I haven't figured out yet, but I'll figure them out.
We can pull the hose wherever we need it.
Should have got 100 feet, but got 65. I goofed. It's just one of them days. One of them days.
That looked like a shower head.
Trying to see if I can just wing it.
So we have a shower head on here. So he turned on the hydrant.
Watch there not be enough pressure.
Ooh. So when it's hot, we can spray each other with the water.
Different nozzles.
I told you it's a shower head. Oh, nice. Cool beans.
There's a bunch of little adapters in there. I didn't even
Oh.
read the manual and see what's what.
We have had it has been one of those weekends. We got a little bit done today, but we do have a delay, as you know. And we got everything all hooked up. And we just want to say, if you love our shenanigans, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share the video. Also, join our Discord group if you want to go in and learn some things about homesteading.
Nope, just watching. Go.
If you want to learn some things about homesteading, there are a lot of people in there who have some great information. And again, if you love our shenanigans, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
New videos every Saturday.
We have a lot of new people in our community, so join us on Saturdays. We have new videos. They come out at 7 a.m. PST time. That's California time. Every Saturday, it is a premiere. It's a new video. And sometimes we have videos on Wednesdays too.
Sometimes.
So sometimes.
But every Saturday for sure.
Yeah, definitely. So also look for the videos on Wednesdays. We might have a surprise. You never know.
But Saturdays for sure.
So we just want to say thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Clean up time. Clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Clean up. Get off the camera and do your share. Come on, Wilhelmina.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.